Everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to create a space on Google Chat. I wonder why you want to know how to create a space on Google Chat. Maybe because you're leading a team and you want to communicate with your team, like you want to give them tasks, get reports from them. So you just want a group. So therefore, you want to create a space. Or it could be any other reason for you to create a space on Google Chat. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, we have to make sure that you have already installed the Google Chat, and if you have not installed it, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once it get installed, make sure you have already created your account on it, and right now you're logged in with this account. After that, just simply tap on the icon of the Google Chat to open the app. Once the app gets open, at the bottom you will see two options. This one is for chat, and along with that, this one is for space. Space is similar to group that we do on different kind of messengers. Therefore, we have to click on this option. Once you click on this option, you will see this interface. It says space, and all the space that you have a part of will appear here. So to create a new space, we have an option at the right bottom side of the screen which says new space. It also has a plus icon with it. This one, you just have to simply click on this option. Through this option, you can easily create a space of your choice. Once you tap on it, you will see three different options. Through first option, you can create a space. Through second option, you can browse a space. And through third option, you can see if you have any request to join any kind of space. So as we are here to create a space, therefore we have to go with the first option, which is create a space. Therefore, just simply tap on this option, and there you will see that at the top it is written create a space, and we have three options. So through first option, you can upload any kind of emoji that will appear as a profile icon. After that, you can give a name to your space. You can name it whatever you want. For example, if you're creating a space for a marketing team, then you can type marketing, and if it's for supply chain, then you can type supply chain, and whatever. If you have any project, you can type project and can do like that. So through this option, you can choose any kind of emoji that will appear as your profile icon. You just have to simply select any emoji and it will be set here. And after that, you can also name it. Like I said, you can name anything, whatever you prefer, whatever you like, you can name it. And after that, you have to write the description is similar to about or bio, whatever you say. You can type rules and can write details and can write whatever you prefer, whatever related to the space, you can type it. And once you're done with all these options, you have to click on next, which is on the top right side of the screen. Once you click on that, your information will be saved, and after that it will ask you if you want to add any kind of participants into this app. And if you want to do that, you can do it. Otherwise, you can skip it by just tapping on this option skip, and after that it will create a space for you. So here you can see this space has been created. Now you can communicate with your team, you can transfer different things and can do whatever you want to do here. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can create a space on Google Chat. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also, make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.